I bought this coffee machine a while ago. Oh, not long ago actually, and it doesn't cost much. It's only 30 euros, but it's the I think it's the capsules that are quite expensive. So I was looking for alternative to uh, to be more affordable, and I tried reusing the capsules, but it didn't go very well. So I finally found something on Amazon. I'm going to put the link in the description box. And today it came. It's called reusable coffee capsule for Tassimo, Happy Tassimo from Bosch, and it cost I think 11 euros, and it looks like this with the barcodes, and you can open it and fill your favorite drink here. It's actually really good because you don't have to put just coffee in here, but you can also put tea or chocolate drinks or anything, even your creamer, I think, because I don't like milk with my coffee. I prefer creamer. So, and a scoop and a brush. So here is the instruction how to use this capsule, but I don't think it's complicated. Just fill the coffee powder or any of your favorite drink here, and then press it lightly, and then close the capsule lid, then put the capsule into coffee machine, and then enjoy your coffee. It's just like yeah, regular use of the capsules. I'm going to try and see if it works. For first use, I don't put anything in this capsule. I just want to wash this thing and make sure it's working. It's a bit hard, but looks like it's working. Yeah, it's working. It's just water coming out, but it proves that it's working. So I think this is a good product because it can save a lot of money, because if you buy the capsules regularly, yeah, I think it's a bit too much for me.